Hello, welcome you back to my channel, Ficom Academy. And today we're going to learn why these elements are placed in certain groups and periods. So quickly, if you look at group 1, all right, from last lesson, you would have seen it. Group 1 is where we've got lithium, for instance, sodium, it goes down that way. Now, do you also know that hydrogen is in group 1? Even though it's placed there, it is a group 1 element. Can you guess the reason? All right, it is because it's got one electron on its outer shell, same as these other elements. So if I just use lithium to show an example, you can see 3 there. That means lithium has got 3 electrons, same as 3 protons if it is neutral. All right, so these elements here are neutral elements only when they have equal number of protons and electrons. So in lithium, if we start, I'll come back to this again when I teach you electronic configuration, but 2 electrons should go there, and then the remaining electrons should go to the outer shell. All right, so that is for lithium. If we just check quickly with the next one, sodium, all right, sodium is 11, so we should have something like this: 1, 2. The next one, we're going to put 8. Watch what I'm doing. I'm putting the electrons. Remember, I said I'm going to teach you this again next lesson, but now I just want to show you how that came about. So now that is 10. Then the next shell, we're going to have 1. Okay. So on the outer shell of lithium, this one was lithium. Then I've got sodium. They have the same number of electrons. So we've got 1 there. 1 electron as well. Even hydrogen here is only 1 shell. You just put 1 electron there. Okay. So this is the reason why we've got these elements in the same group. And in terms of periods, for elements to be in the same period, let's say period 2 here, so that is period 2. That one there is period 1. So in period 2, it must have the same number of shells. So quickly, I have done lithium for you. Now I'm going to do beryllium. So in beryllium, you have 4 electrons. That means you're going to have the first shell, put that in. Then the next shell, you're going to put 2 electrons. All right. So this is for beryllium. So what is the key point here? Groups. All right. Write this down somewhere. When we talk about groups, you are looking at number of electrons. Number of electrons on outer shell. Outermost, or let's say outermost, because you can have 2 or more shells. Outermost shell. All right. That is the key point there. If you are talking about periods, all right, quickly, I want to put that one down here. So for periods, you should be considering the number of shells. How many shells does it have? Number of shells. So the number of shells tells you the period they're going to put the element. So here, every element across period 2 must have 2 shells. If you look at this one here, they must have 3 shells, and it continues that way. Hope this helps today. See you in next lesson. Bye.